Hello and welcome to Synder Tutorials. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Smart Rules feature to update products in sales receipts based on description. I'll show it on the example of Stripe and QuickBooks Online, but the flow will be the same for all other sales channels, so stay tuned. Smart Rules is a feature that takes your Synder experience to a whole new level. There are various ways to implement it, and today we're going to talk about one of them. It's a specific use case when you have the product name in the description of a payment or order, and you need it to become a product line in QuickBooks. It's an often use case for Stripe users, however, it might happen in other sales channels too. So let's go ahead and see how this feature works. First, navigate to the Smart Rules template section and select products. Then click Try It Out on the template named Set Product based on description in sales receipt. You can customize this template to suit your needs, so let's review its current configuration. Every rule consists of three main components: trigger, condition, and action. The trigger specifies when the rule should be activated. In our case, it's when a payment is synchronized to QuickBooks, resulting in the creation of a sales receipt. The condition tells Synder what synced transactions should contain, so the further action could be applied to them. The existing condition is set to the following: if the line description contains the word coffee. This means that the following action will apply to all sales transactions with the word coffee in their description. Now let's explore the action. So it's a QuickBooks action to update this sales receipt to the product you can select from the QuickBooks product list. This condition and action will work for me too, as I do have such transactions. However, let's also create another condition for a different product. Here is an example. I have a Stripe charge with green belt mentioned in the description. I already have a product named green belt in my QuickBooks, and I want it to appear in the sales receipt once it's synced. Here's how to achieve that. So go back to the rule and create another condition. For that, in the existing condition, click Now, and then click on the block and select Condition. On the left side, you'll notice several available fields for conditions, but for this use case, we'll choose Line Description, Contains, Belt, or Green Belt, so you can do several variations of those keywords. Now, as we're satisfied with the condition, click Yes, then click on the block and choose Action. Set the action in the following way: QuickBooks Action, Sales Receipt, Update Line, as we need to update the line item on these transactions. And select the desired product from the QuickBooks product list. So with the current condition and action, every time I have any payments from Stripe or any other connected platform with the description having belt or green belt as the keywords, they will end up in QuickBooks as sales receipts with this green belt silver buckle product in them. Same way, you can add as many conditions as needed based on all the possible keywords that can be in descriptions of your transactions. And now, let's save and close rule, go into Platform Transactions, and sync this particular transaction. And here is our sales receipt with the product green belt we selected, just as per the rule. Now you know how to update products in sales receipts based on the description with Smart Rules. You can also find plenty of useful guides and video tutorials in our knowledge base, and for any additional help, just apply to us via chat, phone, or email, as we're available almost 24/7. Have a good journey with Synder.